yeah. Get into it. Hey, all you cool cats and kittens.
I wanted to say that.
Oh, okay, you say it.
It's too late now.
No, it's not. You can cut it out.
Hey there, all you cool cats and kittens.
We're gonna cut his hair today, and I have never done that. I'm hoping this goes okay. I don't know what I'm doing. I tried watching tutorials, but they were not helpful. I feel like I have to do the back.
Okay, don't soak it.
Why?
Just stand.
I think your hair's too short to put.
Yeah, they don't usually put clips.
Oh, they don't put clips in? Oh, okay. So I'm just going fucking willy-nilly.
Yeah, they just do it up straight. And then start with higher clippers from the bottom just to get the thickness out.
Let's just brush this forward.
What are you starting with?
I was gonna start with the clippers.
The sides and the back?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that what they usually do?
Yeah.
Okay, how do I use this thing? Do I just... Okay. I'm really nervous. Which way do I go? Do I go like this? Or like this?
No. No, no.
Okay, okay. Okay! Oh! It came off! Oh shit. I fucked up already. Oh shit. This isn't going well. Why are you laughing?
Well, because you did one on this side and then just right to the back.
Well, I'm doing the back first and then the sides.
Okay.
This is not good. Oh no.
If it fails, we can just do it at number 4 all over the top. It'll look fine.
So they do the sides with the fours too?
Yeah.
Do they like, so they go up to like here or something? Do they part it?
It's hard with there's no mirror.
Huh?
I can't see myself very well.
Oh, okay. Well,
Like right around here.
I'm already fucking doing it. It's not blended at all. Is this part supposed to be blended?
Yeah.
Oh. This is really...
What about down here?
Oh yeah, I guess I forgot that part. Okay. That looks so bad, I'm sorry. Okay, it's fine, it's gonna go fine. I'm trying my best, I really am. I'm not trying to make it bad. I'm not a hairdresser. You're the one who begged me to do this. Man, it looks like you got like a bowl cut up top. Ooh, that's a big chunk. Oh yeah, that looks better. Are you worried?
I don't know.
Okay.
We'll see it. It's probably a good thing I don't have a mirror.
Oh yeah, it's very good. You'd be bossing me around. Okay, so now...
Just don't go up as high.
Okay.
You start out flat and you curl it as you go up.
Okay, that's how to blend. You blend it?
Yeah.
Oh, just look straight ahead.
Debbie,
Do you want a butchered cut?
look at her.
Hi, Debbie. Can you... How do they get this chunk by the ear? Oh, got it. What up?
Oh,
Are you mad at me?
no, no, no. Just like getting my haircut.
Okay, time for a 2. Okay, look down. You're such a good client.
I try.
Okay, so my camera battery died, so you missed the cutting portion, but I was very focused, so it was not very entertaining anyway. Things aren't looking great. Oh god, yeah. No, wait, don't
Look like Pauly D or something from that show that used to be on MTV.
Jersey Shore?
Yeah.
Well, it's not dry yet.
DJ Pauly D, is that his name?
Yeah. Should I, well, is it usually shorter?
I need to see closer.
No, you don't. No, you don't. I want to get the back first.
I think it's the sides.
What? I tried
I think
my
it's just
best.
too high. There's too much. I feel like.
Too much up here?
I feel like.
Wait, hold on.
Well, I need to be able to see it.
Well, I'm not even done yet.
You said you were.
Well, I thought I was, and now I'm not. Do you want to just go number 4 all around?
Let me see.
Well,
I
now
won't
I'm
judge.
embarrassed.
It's fine. It's not terrible.
The cutting part's really hard. Oh, that's kind of uneven, isn't it?
Right there.
But see, when you brush it up, it's even.
Well, let's just fuck it.
Let's just do the 4.
Yeah, 4 all around.
Okay. It's not approved. The haircut's not approved. We're
I want
just
to
gonna-
try one.
Why?
Just.
Is that fun?
Yeah.
Are you 5? Stop! You're all my hard work out the window.
Sorry.
I tried my best, okay?
I know, it didn't look terrible. It looked good for your first time. You gotta make sure it stays flat all the way around there.
I'm trying. So bossy, honestly. Honestly, I think this is worse. This is way worse. Oh
there's just some spots you still gotta go over.
no. Oh my god.
That's what I'm saying, just gotta be flat.
I'm trying. What did I do? I ruined it.
How?
It's so uneven now. I'm doing that. Oh, I'm not doing that. All that hair cutting for nothing.
That was fun.
For you,
I liked it.
I didn't have fun. I was so
It
stressful.
felt great.
Very handsome. Stop. I feel like the back doesn't look that bad. Like, I think I blended it okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Here, I'll take a picture of the back.
Take this off.
Okay.
Oh, did I break that?
Guess I won't be using that again. I mean, it's not as good. It doesn't look as good when you go to the salon.
Yeah, looks good. Actually, it does.
Well, I feel sorry for the hairdresser who has to fix this after.
No, because it's just buzz, so.
Are you gonna clean this up?
I guess.
I've worked so hard. This
Yep.
took me over an hour just for you to buzz it all, and now you're telling me you're not gonna clean it up?
Yes, I will.
Okay. Love you. You're welcome. Okay, bye.